Hello friends, welcome to Hotspan Kitchen. As Diwali is coming close by, let us start making some sweets. Today I will be making Rava Laddu. The main ingredients of Rava Laddu are 1 cup of rava, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, some cashew nuts. This is some finely chopped badam, little cardamom powder, some milk and little ghee. These are the main ingredients. Let us start making the Rava Laddu. The first step being frying of cashew nuts. Now let us put some ghee, the badam, not badam, cashew nuts. Saute it till it is slightly brownish. Remove the spoon. In the same ghee, we will put the rava and saute it. You don't have to saute it much more. Only the color need not change, only the aroma of the rava and the ghee has to come. Color should not change. You have to keep on sauteing it. Let us remove this from fire. Keep it aside. Now put coconut, and sugar. 2 spoons. You have to saute saute till the sugar melts. Sugar has started melting. Saute till the full sugar is dissolved. Sugar is almost melted. Let us remove this from pan. Now this is cool. So let us put the rava, fried rava. This is badam. Badam powder. 1 teaspoon. Mix everything very nicely. Now we can make balls out of this. I have transferred the entire thing into this plate. Now this is cooled down. Let us start making balls. These are the laddus finally I have rolled out. This is quite easy and you can all do at home. Anybody can do this at home. So please do try and give your suggestions to me. One thing I would like to tell you is if the final mixture is little dry, don't panic. Just put little teaspoon by teaspoon milk and then roll it out, it will definitely come. And if the mixture is little loose, wait for some time, and then after 2-3 hours you can easily roll out the laddus. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my future videos. Thank you.